Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be walking through the Lightworker Oracle by Alana Fairchild. This is another one of those that I got in a subscription box that I haven't really used because it just hasn't been resonated with me. But I've heard good things about Alana. I'm interested in her Isis deck. This is pretty big and thick book. Pretty long entries on each item, so that's pretty cool. I like lots of information. I really like to know what people were thinking when they created it. They've got some simple little layouts, nothing special. A little quiz about, are you a light worker? And then just the messages of the cards. So I like the back. It's very pretty. It's a decent size for my hand. I have small hands, so there's that. They're glossy, which I don't really care for. And, you know, the cardstock's not bad, I don't think. It's not the cheapest by any means. So, let's start looking at it. Ooh, that's the wrong way. The first ray of power. The second ray of wisdom. The third ray of creative intelligence. Number 4 is a paradigm shift. Karmic clearing. Fourth ray of harmony. Unplug from mass consciousness. Star child. Wisdom of the divine feminine. Power of the divine masculine. Messages in the numbers. Eternal now. Trust in the plan. Soul child. Grounding. Dark night of the soul. Family of light. Ascension, the rainbow bridge. An invitation to connect. Life path. Spiritual service. Initiation by fire looks really similar to one I've already seen. Initiation by water. Initiation by air. Merkaba, spiritual protection. Key of light. Cosmic heart, cosmic Christ. That's interesting. I'm super into Jesus, but I didn't know. I mean, this one has struck me as a very Christian deck. And furthermore, I haven't seen a single person of color yet, and we're more than halfway through the deck. And these kind of light workers have come in all colors. So I kind of, one of my, not my pet peeves, but definitely something I keep an eye out for is representation of all different colors, because we're underrepresented. So there's that. Of course, this is her work, and you know, these are deeply personal. It's not something that would stop me from enjoying a deck, but it is something that makes me a little sad. The Pink Rose of Lady Nada. Dark Angel. Alchemical Mutation. Divine Grace, the Law of Efficiency. Master Healing. Hold Your Center. Past Life Activation. Again, this is one that looks very similar to another card. Reassurance of the Golden Light, also very similar to another card. The Heart of Transformation. Earth Healing. Divine Talents. Orbs of Light, again, looks just like another card. Spiritual Decree. Fifth Ray of Intellectual Knowledge. Sixth Ray of Devotion. Seventh Ray of Ritual, Order, and Ceremony. When did these decks come out? They remind me like of the 70s. It might be an older type deck. It says 2017. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm just, you know, maybe that's just me. But let me see if I can find some examples of like things that look very, very similar to me. So like this one looks a lot like one we've seen. Just trying to, I hate getting them out of order. Ugh, let's. So this one looks, I mean, it's very repetitive to me. You know, they're probably really great cards. And you could probably get a lot out of them. I don't know if I will connect with these cards. But that doesn't mean they're not great, because the whole point is for people to connect spiritually in their own way. And obviously my spirituality and my identity is totally different than another person's, and another person might get a lot of really good information, cosmic downloads from this. It might be speaking their language, and that's awesome and totally worth it. So I hope this helps you. If you have this deck, please let me know how you're using it. For me, I can't see how I would, but I would love to hear other people's opinions and ideas. As always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.